Hey folks, thanks for watching. This is Gerard's Horticulture Culture. I'm Gerard Sadler. This channel is about indoor plants, outdoor plants, primarily just all about plants, and I just try to help people out, and including myself, like to document what's going on with my collection, and I just want to share a little bit of knowledge for you guys that are interested and have plants, the things that you may or may not know about, and I like to get feedback from those experienced growers that know a lot about the game. And this page is basically about plants, horticulture, culture of Gerard. Hey folks, can you put it all together? That's basically what it's about. I'm just trying to give you as much information that I can give you about my plants and all my other videos, how-tos, how to keep them alive, how to treat it for pests, deficiencies, etc. Everything you need to know about plants. And if you don't know, you can definitely put a question in the comment section below. I can see if I can help you out with any question that you would need regarding plants. Today I just received a plant in the mail from Gabriella Plants. Check her out at Gabriellaplantsonline. It's an online store that I recently just stumbled upon with the help of a fellow Instagram plant lover. And it's one of the plants that I haven't seen because it's patented. So this just got produced and made and it's patented. So I haven't seen it before. It's the Starbright Dieffenbachia. So here we go. Box ready. Already opened it previously slightly just to get an idea. And there's some cards in here. Tells you how to unbox the plant. Basically carefully unwrap the plant, inspect and isolate your new arrival. And that's another thing that with my ZZ plant I just got not too long ago, you should isolate your plant just to make sure, just make sure it acclimates, and then if something's on with the ride, you can basically be on that before anything starts to spread. And that's what this card provides. And it even tells you who packaged the plant and selected the plant, hand-picked, and it's hand-picked by Shane and Juliana. And we're going deeper, diving in, and it says we got a nice little picture on it. It says smile, you just got a new plant, which it is Christmas once again. And we're opening up the box. Like Instagram always has those plants that you don't see, and it's like trouble. I wouldn't call it trouble. It's like a good tool. It's definitely a good tool. And I don't know if you see what's going on so far. Looking good. Looking real good. You kind of see what's going on. This is the Dieffenbachia Bright Star. Packaged pretty nicely. They actually, I like to see the way different sellers package and pot their plants. Has the dirt in the container, has a rubber band around there to kind of hold everything pretty nice together. You can tell it's not root bound, but it does have a good amount of roots in there. So that's a good thing. We're probably going to keep it in that container for a while. You want to get the rubber band out there. I like the technique. Rubber band 1. And what else we got? Holding in there. And there we go. Dieffenbachia Bright Star. Very nice. And they actually, this is cotton to hold the dirt in. Very good technique. Real cool. Gabriella Plants, thanks again. I'll definitely give you a shout out on Instagram. And guys, don't forget to check out my page at Gerard's Horticulture Culture. I'll be taking a ton of pictures of this nice, beautiful plant. You can kind of see it has variation in the colors on it are spectacular for the Dieffenbachias. Real nice looking plant. Most of the Dieffenbachias are tough plants, I would say. Fast growers, and they're perfect for indoor light. Alright, so that's the unboxing of the Starbright Dieffenbachia. It's a patented plant. I just found that out. The colors on it are just something else. I really can't explain it, but just striking leaves. They kind of stand out, you know, and it's just one of those things. Like I said, I haven't seen it anywhere, so I saw it on Gabriellaplantsonline, so I definitely decided to pick it up. It came packaged perfectly, and I don't know if you guys look in the background. This is my new studio because I was so constrained with daylight, trying to get that daylight quality footage that I can share with you as far as complimenting these plants. I just want to show you the best I can do. So I kind of held off on videos. I haven't made any videos probably in about a week or two. But we're back at it, and I actually have my plant room pretty much done. Everything is situated. I would say 80% of my plants are inside. I still have a remainder of plants that I have to bring inside. What else? The grow lights, they're pretty much working the way they're supposed to. I think I may get some more because I just want to spread the plants out just to make this room a little bit better, because this is like the I call it the get money room. It's our spare room that me and my fiance, she does basically. It started out as my daughter's room. She decided to move into another room, but now we have this room, and she uses it for makeup. I like to use it for photography, and I'm also housing my plants. So we're kind of combining both of our powers together to perfect our craft and just to live life and just do what we like to do. I like to talk about plants. She likes to do makeup. What better team than that? So like I said, this is the Starbright Dieffenbachia. Like all Dieffenbachias, it likes bright light. It tolerates low light, but it tolerates low light. So you don't want to, if you can avoid it, try to give it as much light that you can, like at least 6 hours of bright indirect light. You don't have to have it right under like a south facing area. It might get burnt up, but you can get it done with a bright light situation. Like frequent waterings, it'll definitely tell you when it needs water. The leaves will droop. Fertilizing schedule, I'm gonna just continue along with the other plants just to tell me, probably most likely fertilize in the spring with like a 1-2-2 or a 2-1-1, usually what I do, and make sure it's pest free. I've been pretty much pest free for about 2 weeks now after I did the systemic fertilizer. That video is coming soon. I'm still in progress of making it. I just want to put it together the way I want to release it, so I'll keep you updated on that. And guys, if you want to see more videos from me, let me know what you want to see in the comment section below. What do you guys think about the Dieffenbachia, Starbright Dieffenbachia from Gabriellaplantsonline? Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. You can connect with me that way, and also you can check out my plant photography, which I love to do. I try to pump out a new picture every day and connect with plant people, because plant people are the best. This is Gerard's Horticulture Culture. I'm Gerard Sadler. Keep growing.